Hey y'all, Irix guy here, back again with another deck renovation. So I've got this piece over here, and this obviously is not structural. Always check with the contractor, make sure everything's done properly. With that said, I had a cosmetic chunk out of this top piece. So what I did, I put in this this stuff. It kind of looks like a putty. It's not dry yet. You're going to want to let it dry for several hours, and if it's really thick, probably even more, maybe 24 hours or so. But what I've done, I put that in to plug up the cosmetic gap, and I'm going to let it dry. And then after it dries, see how that right there is not smooth? It's just kind of put in with a little spackle tool and my fingers. Then I'll get sandpaper and I'll sand it to make everything look smooth. Once it's sanded, then I'll be able to paint over it. And after it's painted over, you probably won't even be able to tell that there was an imperfection there. So if you're going to refinish a deck, you might as well take the time to plug any gaps that you might find, so that once it's painted, it looks perfect like this. Now, I don't have caps on these. These did have caps over them. I'm going to be putting subscribe and check out my separate video. They're going to have solar LED lights in them, so it's going to look really cool. But this right here, this stuff that I use to repair this cosmetic gap, you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order it online. It's super affordable, super easy to apply. It's kind of like messing with Play-Doh, man. So here it is right here. I've sanded it down and it's ready to paint. Now, if I want to get really picky, I could sharpen those corners, but I'm not going to mess with that. This is good enough for me, but it may not be good enough for you. So depending upon how you want yours to look, you would probably want to go and put some more of the plastic wood in there. And by the way, expand this video's description and click the link there to find the plastic wood like I'm using. And you could put some more in there, let it dry, and then sand till it's absolutely perfect. But this is in a corner of the deck where people aren't going to be, so I don't care. I just want it to be done. So tell me what you think within the comment section below. Should I have put more plastic wood in there? Or is what I'm doing acceptable? Comment below and tell me what you think. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.